Hi, I'm Tippy Shorter Rank, and I am going to be showing you Amethyst Allure. I am using the mannequin Maya that is between a formation 6 and 7. I have put her into 5 sections. For Amethyst Allure, I'm using 3 colors in my formulation. I'm using 4.26 at the base, and I'm using 5.26 and 6.40 alternating through zones 2 and 3, all mixed with 30 volume. Now that she's sectioned, I start by using my metal detox in each section and lightly detangle with my fingers to spread the metal detox through her hair. Now that she's prepped, I'm gonna start with my first formula, which is 4.26 and 30 volume. I'm gonna apply that to zone 1. You wanna apply just a tiny amount of hair color to your brush, and you want to tap lightly and gently along the hairline. I've got a fresh batch of color, and now I'm gonna start on the front. I'm going to work on the sides first and then do my mohawk section last. Once again, we're gonna continue with our diagonal back sections. Thanks again for joining me in my demo of Amethyst Allure.